Regular physical activity is not just good for your body, but also for your mind. It can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve mental well-being. Engaging in physical activity can boost your energy levels and improve your overall fitness. Regular exercise can help strengthen your muscles and improve your flexibility. Physical activity can also have a positive impact on your mental well-being, reducing stress and improving your mood. Being active outdoors can provide a refreshing change of scenery and increase your enjoyment of physical activity. Regular physical activity can improve your sleep quality and help you feel more rested and rejuvenated. Staying active can enhance your cognitive function and improve your ability to focus and concentrate. Physical activity is not limited to intense workouts. Even simple activities like walking can make a positive impact on your health.